Today, I'll show you an easy way to earn cryptocurrency for free with just a few minutes a day. No fancy skills are needed, just follow along. And by the end, you'll see how to start earning right away. Let's get into it. First, we're going to visit a well-known crypto earning platform. You'll need to sign up using your email and create a password. I'll reveal the platform name toward the end of the video, so you'll have everything you need to get started. One of the best ways to earn here is by completing simple tasks like surveys, app downloads, and mini-games. You can see exactly how much each task is worth. So pick the ones that interest you most and start earning those coins. The platform also offers games to earn crypto. Just head to the games section, pick one, and start playing. The longer you play, the more you earn, which adds up if you enjoy gaming. Every hour, you can claim free coins from the Faucet. Just head over to that section and click Claim to instantly add coins to your account. You can do this every hour, so it's a nice boost to your earnings without much effort. Once you've earned enough, you'll be ready to withdraw your earnings. Just head to the wallet section, choose your preferred cryptocurrency, and enter your wallet address. For more details on how to withdraw, join my Telegram channel, where I'll share the full link and walkthrough. You'll find the link in the description below. And that's it. An easy, fun way to earn crypto for free. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos for more crypto earning tips. Make sure to follow my Telegram channel for early access to new earning methods. Thanks for watching.